Have you ever wondered why these little dumplings that you get at Chinese restaurants are so nice and delicious? Well, morning everyone, cheers. Thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious siu mai, and I'll be showing you how to make them at home today. So, gather yourself these ingredients, let's go. So what I have in front of me are some of the ingredients that you'll need. Chinese mushrooms. I'm going to be soaking them first in some hot water because they take a bit of time. So mine is quite small, so I'm going to be using a bit more. About 10. Of course, if you like Chinese mushrooms, you can put more in. And just give that about 10-15 minutes. I have some minced pork here. You can use pork shoulder meat. Minced pork is the easy option. Get yourself a nice and big bowl. Quick tip, when you're cooking at home guys, you can use these containers as a little bin, so you'd have to keep going to the bin. Prawns, they provide a nice texture and a very nice flavour. You need to chop it up finely. If you like prawns, put more in. If you don't like prawns, you don't have to put any in. 500 grams of minced pork. I'm going in with about 8 king prawns. Just like so, in the bowl. Let's mince some ginger as it will provide a nice aromatic flavour. Now you can also put some minced garlic into your marinade, but I think ginger is enough. Now we need to prep something that goes on top of the siu mai. I'm using carrots in this case. Usually people will be using fish roe. It's very hard to get your hands on them and I don't have any. But what you need to do is slice them to very, very small cubes. I would recommend using the chunkier half of the carrots. Go down. Try and get as thin as you can. Watch your fingers. And when you get to the end, lay it down and just go across. Okay? You can just do that. And then lay it flat and start slicing. Look how much carrots it has generated. Turn it 90 degrees. I would halve it first, okay, because there's quite a lot here. With my knife, make sure it's clean. Go down carefully. There's your very, very finely chopped carrots into the bowl. Now at this point, the Chinese mushrooms will be ready. Bring them back and see how they have expanded and softened up. Just drain them out. What you want to do is remove the stem. If you think they're quite big, you can always halve them first. Chop finely again. Turn it 90 degrees and chop it into little small cubes. Now do it for the rest. These dry mushrooms are great because you can store them for a long time in the cupboard. Chinese mushrooms are great in soups, so like hot and sour soup, or they're great for braised meats. So if you want to cook Chinese mushrooms with some chicken or spare ribs. That is all done. Into the bowl. In the bowl, 1 tablespoon of salt, some chicken powder, 1/3 tablespoon goes in. Some sugar, about 1/2 tablespoon. This will balance out the saltiness. Sesame oil, give it 1 tablespoon. White pepper, 1/2 tablespoon. Light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Shaoxing cooking wine. If you don't like this, you don't have to put it in. 1 tablespoon. And finally, give it some oyster sauce. Give it 1 tablespoon. Boom. Crack in 1 egg. The egg will soften up the meat and make it more juicy. Give it a good mix. Giving it a really good mix here. Mix it until your hand is tired. What I have here is some potato starch, okay? Or you can use cornstarch as well. It works the same. 1/2 tablespoon and mix again. When you steam it, starch will make your meat nice and soft and tender. And there you are guys. That is exactly what we are looking for. Now we're going to wrap the siu mai. What I have here is some wonton pastry. You'll be able to find these in pretty much all the Chinese supermarkets. You can use all sorts of pastries, but I'll be using this one today. Get yourself a tray ready for steaming. Put a piece of paper here and add a bit of oil as well to your paper so that it doesn't stick when you steam it. Only take out as much as you need because they dry very quickly. And what you want to do is you need to make them round. Remove the corners. And let's try making siu mai. Get yourself a tablespoon. Get yourself a wrapper. The flour side on the outside. Get a bit of prawn as well. Make a ring with your hand and just push it down. Top it more with some meat and then just kind of push it down and turn your hand. Okay, turn. Right. Keep turning and press. Make sure you press it down because it needs to be firm at the bottom. So it's been a while since I made these, but hopefully they will be alright for home cooking. So, and there's your little siu mai. Straight onto the tray and get a teaspoon and get your carrots back and just put a tiny bit on top like so, and there you have a nice siu mai ready for steaming. If you make them a bit big, you'll have to steam them for a bit longer. Let's carry on. So again, meat in, make a well with your hand, right, and then just start pushing everything into the middle. And then halfway through, put a bit more meat in, and again, push down with your hand. And flatten the bottom as well, so you get that nice shape. Good thing about making them at home is you can put as much meat as you like on your siu mai, because sometimes in restaurants you might not get as much meat. Making siu mai just requires a bit of practice and a bit of patience, and you'll be able to make it in no time. There we go. I'll be making 9 today. Okay, so when you place them in the steamer, make sure they're nice and spaced out, otherwise they will stick together. Let's steam. Bring the water up to a boil. So just steam this for about 15 minutes. My siu mai was quite chunky and big, so I reckon about 15 to 17 minutes. With the remaining meat, what you can do is you can use it to make some really nice pan-fried meat patties in the frying pan. Right. Ta-da! Yeah. Goes very well with sriracha. So good. Nice and soft, full of flavor, great breakfast as well. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something from today, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Waiting for siu mai. 1 minute to go.